Hello and welcome to the video. Today we're going to show you how to install our Pro 5 roof rack crossbar system, designed specifically for vehicles with rain gutter mounting. This system is custom fit for rain gutter vehicles, meaning it's not universal, and it provides a secure, stable, and no-drill installation. We'll go step by step so you can mount it safely and correctly. Let's get started. Open the box and gather all the necessary tools. Slide the square metal pieces attached to the bracket into the aluminum profile on all sides. Insert the rubber bases onto the smaller brackets. Place the head unit on top of your vehicle and make sure to align the aluminum profile with the center. Finger tighten the bolts that connect the aluminum profile to the metal brackets. Insert the bolt through the holes, position the smaller bracket in place, and start tightening by threading the nut onto the bolt. For now, only finger tighten it, and repeat this for both sides. Now, fully tighten the bolt that secures the aluminum profile to the head unit. Make sure it is firmly connected. Then, once both sides are in place, fully tighten both sides using a wrench to securely fasten the aluminum profile to the metal brackets. Cut the excess rubber strap from underneath and place it back over the uncovered section underneath the rack. Place the end caps on all ends of the aluminum profiles and tighten them using a screwdriver. Place the circular cap onto the bolt by turning it until it is securely in place. Optional, if load stoppers are provided, peel off the top rubber on the aluminum profile, slide the load stoppers into the channel, and secure them wherever you prefer. And this is how the roof rack looks once it's fully installed. As you can see, it's secure, clean, and ready to carry all your gear. If you'd like to get one for your vehicle, you can order directly from powauto.com or find it on our Amazon and eBay stores as well. Thanks for watching.